I'm Dr. Nicholas Enriquez. I'm core faculty and director of the DEI curriculum here at Dignity Health East Valley Emergency Medicine Residency. Our goal is to promote a resident that is well-rounded, and part of that includes a DEI curriculum that focuses and promotes equitable care among our patient population. Our DEI curriculum here will consist of a total of 6 modules. One module will be completed during residency orientation. That will be an introduction to diversity, equity, inclusion in emergency medicine. That will cover the phrasing and language that is needed to further understand the curriculum. Next, we'll cover cultural competencies and sensitivity in the emergency department. That will look at ways in which culture impacts the way a patient presents to us and the ways in which we can interact with our patients in the emergency department. Next, we will cover unconscious/implicit biases and its impact on our clinical practices. The goal of this module is to allow us to understand and find ways to counteract those biases. Next, we're going to look at addressing healthcare disparities, and this module will allow us to see ways in which we can help make sure that every patient has equal access to healthcare. Next, we'll focus on making an inclusive learning environment. We want to make sure that all residents here feel comfortable expressing themselves and their individuality, both in the clinical practice as well as in the learning environment with faculty and other residents. And then finally, we want to look at diversity, equity, inclusion, and the social responsibility of each person to bring to light any areas in which they think are lacking so that we can find ways to improve both ourselves and our care of patients.